We interrupt regular programming for this special weather report on the Boyd Bobcat broadcast.
Hello, I am Miss Mass and I am speaking to you live. And I'm bringing you the most recent news. Just in, a heavy blizzard is continuing to hit Chicago for the past 2 weeks. We are now going to our frostbitten friend, Kaylee. Kaylee, tell us what's going on out there.
Thank you, Madison. I'm standing here in the heart of Chicago during this extremely heavy blizzard. The temperature is very cold, -4 degrees, and the wind is howling at 40 to 50 miles per hour. Add in the nonstop snowfall, and you got a recipe for disaster.
Kaylee, how many feet of snow has fallen so far?
Madison, I can say there is easily 10 feet of snow beside me right now, and some of the snow drifts that are way beyond that.
That's incredible. How on earth do blizzards usually start?
A blizzard is a severe winter storm with a strong wind and a super cold temperatures, and the wind is what makes the storm hard because you cannot see very far in front of you.
Okay, where do they usually happen? Is Chicago known for having blizzards?
They happen a lot in the northern plains, but Chicago has had blizzards before. Many times we get blizzards like conditions, but this one's a true blizzard. But this one's a true blizzard and not the Dairy Queen kind.
That looks pretty dangerous out there. Have there been any deaths due of this storm?
Unfortunately, there has been reports of people dying because of the cold weather. Frostbite is a big problem right now. Deaths are due to the hypothermia. That means your body temperature is too low.
Thank you, Kaylee. You may want to get inside before you get sick.
You're right, but I gotta find a building with electricity. Many of the power grids are down right now, even making the safest place cold and dangerous place to be. Reporting live from Chicago, this is Kaylee.
Please stay tuned for more information about the blizzard of 2014.
We interrupt regular programming for this special weather report on the Boyd Bobcat broadcast.